This is how to set the EQ to flat in a 2016 CRZ with the external amplifier and subwoofer. Unfortunately, you have to do it every time you start the car, but the instructions are very similar, if not the same, as the CRV and Civic. You're going to hold down the power button, the home button, and the eject button. You're going to select Detail Information and Settings. From here, you're going to hold down the menu button to get to the next screen. And you're going to hold down the menu button again until you hear a beep. You're going to select Syscom Free Mode. We're going to go to the next page using Function 4 button. We're going to enter into this option, audio mode, using Function 3. And here's where we can change the EQ from normal, which sounds bad, to flat, which sounds good. So we're going to enter using Function 3. And then from here, we can just back out all the settings. And we're ready to play music.